Good evening. Today, what are the things you've done to hold in your memory? We all know that situation is getting worse and worse. So the best way to spend is you can enjoy your leisure time and some time for study because it's the most important time you can spend for your studies. So today we came up with pollution, different type of pollution, important questions for pollution regarding topic pollution. So these are the important short questions and answers about environment pollution, pollutant, classification of pollution, pollutant, etc. So let's start. First question. Give two examples of anthropogenic activity. What is anthropogenic activity? Activity done by men. Anthropology means the science concerning about human beings. So anthropogenic activity means activity done by human beings. They are industries and construction are two examples of anthropogenic activity that corrupt our environment. Industry and construction are two examples of anthropogenic activity that corrupt our environment. Second question. Define environmental pollution. Environment pollution is defined as a negative or desirable alteration in the environment. It refers to direct, indirect changes in any component of biosphere that is harmful to the biotic component in ecosystems. It refers to negative or desirable alteration or change in environment. It creates direct change in any component of biosphere that is harmful to biotic component of ecosystem. These changes affect human beings in many ways. So, pollution is an anthropogenic activity. We all know it is created by human being, and it has serious threat on environment. Then the third question: how do development activities affect environment? How do development activities affect the environment? Development activities like industries, construction, transportation, and manufacturing processes adversely affected the environment. Waste material from industries pollute our water resources. Development activities like industries, construction activities, all type of transportation, air, water, road, manufacturing activities all had serious effect on environment. Waste materials from industries and all these are polluting water resources, resulting huge dumping of fish and other water beings. What is a pollutant? A pollutant is any substance that renders the air, soil, water, or any other natural resources harmful or unsuitable. Pollutant is any substance that make air, soil, or water, or any other natural resources unsuitable, harmful, and unsuitable to use. Okay, then fifth question: what are three classifications of pollutant? According to the natural disposal pollutant, they are classified into three types. Based on natural disposal pollutant, they are classified under three types. Which are they? Degradable or non-persistent pollutant, slowly degradable or persistent pollutants, and non-degradable pollutants. Which are the different type of pollutants? First one, degradable or non-persistent pollutants. Second, pollutant slowly degradable or persistent pollutant. And third one, non-degradable pollutant. Then define degradable pollutant or what is degradable pollutant. Pollutant which can be rapidly broken down the process. The rapidly broken down by natural processes are called degradable pollutant. Pollutant broken down by natural resources are called degradable pollutant. Then what are persistent pollutant? Pollutant that remain in environment for many years in unchanged condition and take many decades to degrade are called persistent pollutants. For example, nuclear pollution is a good example. That pollutant remain in the environment creating genetic and other disorders in human beings. So, persistent pollutant remain in the earth decades and create serious impact on earth, human being, etc. For example, endosulfan, then Bhopal gas tragedy, etc. Define non-degradable pollutant. Pollutant which cannot be degraded by natural resources are called non-degradable pollutant. Toxic heavy metals like lead and mercury belong to this category. The pollutants that degraded by nature process are called non-degradable. Toxic heavy metals like mercury, lead, etc. belong to this category. Then ninth one, how do we classify pollutant based on nature? On based on nature, it can be classified. There should be very clear, no confusion had to be erased. Persistent, degradable, and non-degradable pollutants are under natural disposable pollutant. Next classification is pollution on the basis of natural, based on nature. They are physical, chemical, geochemical, and biological categories. What are major form of pollution? Major form of pollution are, we all know, air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, marine pollution, noise pollution, thermal pollution, and radioactive pollution. Then, which are the two major effects of pollution? We all know acid rain, that had serious impact on Earth, and also global warming are the major effect of pollution. So, we will come with other class discussing about air pollution, water, soil, marine, and all other pollution and its impact in detail. Hope you all enjoyed the class well. Stay safe, study well, be conscious about the environment, be conscious about the newly rapidly spreading pandemic, and thank you and have a nice day. Bye.